When a hurricane is on the horizon, the first instinct for most people is to secure their homes and evacuate if necessary. But for boat owners, there's another critical concern. What happens to your boat? Hurricanes can wreak havoc on vessels, causing millions in damages every year. Unsecured boats can break free, collide with other property, or become dangerous debris. But here's the good news. With proper preparation, you can significantly reduce the risk of damage and ensure the safety of your boat and those around you. Location is your first line of defense against a hurricane. If you have the option, move your boat to a hurricane hole. These are naturally sheltered areas like narrow canals, bays, or coves surrounded by high land or thick tree cover. Their natural barriers help shield your boat from intense winds and waves. If moving your boat isn't feasible, focus on securing it where it is. Marinas with floating docks and strong pilings offer better protection than fixed docks. If your boat is on a trailer, move it inland to higher ground and away from potential flood zones. Double up on mooring lines. Hurricanes bring extreme forces, so your regular dock lines won't cut it. Use additional mooring lines to distribute the load and secure your boat in a crisscross pattern. This minimizes movement during the storm. Use chafe guards, simple but essential tools, to protect your lines from wearing out due to friction. Anchoring for open water. If you're anchoring your boat, use a two-anchor system. Set the anchors in a V formation, ensuring they're placed at opposing angles to maximize stability. This prevents your boat from swinging uncontrollably as the storm shifts direction. Remove or secure loose items. Walk through your boat and remove anything that isn't bolted down: sails, deck furniture, fishing gear, or anything lightweight. These can quickly become projectiles in hurricane-force winds, causing damage to your boat or others nearby. One of the biggest challenges during a hurricane is the storm surge, an abnormal rise in water levels caused by the storm's strong winds. To accommodate this, leave extra slack in your lines. However, strike a balance. Too much slack can leave your boat drifting uncontrollably. If your boat is on a lift, lower it into the water if possible. Boat lifts are not designed to handle the extreme forces of hurricane winds and rising water. Leaving the boat in the lift risks serious damage. Seal hatches and portholes. Prevent water from seeping into your boat by sealing all openings with duct tape or watertight covers. Disconnect electrical systems. Water and electricity don't mix. Disconnect batteries and other systems to prevent short circuits or damage during the storm. Shut off fuel lines. This step reduces the risk of fuel spills or fires, keeping both your boat and the environment safe. A well-thought-out plan is essential. Start by reviewing your insurance policy to ensure it covers hurricane-related damages. Take photos of your boat before the storm for documentation purposes. Share your plan with family, friends, or marina staff so everyone knows what to do if things escalate. Most importantly, prioritize your safety. If evacuation is advised, follow local guidance and leave early. Boats can be replaced, your life cannot. Let's recap the key steps to protecting your boat during a hurricane. Choose the safest location possible, whether it's a hurricane hole, a secure marina, or high ground. Use extra mooring lines and anchors to stabilize your boat, and add chafe guards to prevent wear and tear. Account for rising water levels by leaving slack in your lines. Remove loose items, seal hatches, disconnect electrical systems, and shut off fuel lines to safeguard critical components. Have a detailed emergency plan, including up-to-date insurance and clear communication with those involved. Preparation is key, and by taking these proactive steps, you'll protect your investment and reduce risks. If this video helped you feel more prepared, don't wait for the next storm to get started. Assess your boat's setup, gather the necessary supplies, and create a hurricane plan today. Share this video with other boaters who could benefit from these tips. Together, we can all weather the storm more safely. Stay prepared, stay safe, and remember, the best survival tool is preparation.